She will receive a service award and a TUSLO participant. Joyce M. Gosari. She will receive a folk dance participant award both in municipal and division level, TUSLO participant award, and a service award. Next is the special awards. Michael G. Agbad, TUSLO Participant Award.